Hello everyone, welcome. This is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I'm with this amazing app. I don't know if you cook or you order, I don't know, but I'm a person who cooks. And if you're here, most probably you're here for that. Because you cook too. And there are days like you really don't know what to cook, or you go to, how can I say, you go to websites, you're looking for recipes. They want those fancy things you don't have in your fridge right now. So what we're gonna do, as you can see from the screen, fine French cooking might be looking at you like this, but you really need to find your own way. So let's get to it. So what are we gonna do? Of course, first download the app, and we will use get started. So how good is my cooking? I am not a rock star, not a basic. I'm confident, to be honest. What's your cooking goal? Empty your fridge, get inspiration, eat more veggies, eat healthier. I don't really know. So I eat everything, actually, no gluten, no sugar. I eat everything. But this app is vegetarian. So what they mean, this app helps you to eat veggies at least once or twice weekly, regardless why, because veggies are healthier and are not common, just are pure plant-based dishes with their choice of meat or fish. Okay. So I'm confident and I'm using English and I'm metric, yes. So let's sign out with Gmail since it's saying it's the easiest. Yes, sir. Create your first recipe. Okay. Pick 2 to 5. You like? We'll make okay. I like bell peppers actually. I have broccoli at home right now. I like eggplants. But no, you want to do them together. I have garlic at home. These are the things I have as a but these are the things I have right now. Next. So we're gonna next, okay, quick fry. So what are we gonna do? Improve your dish with lemon. I have onion, umami, soy sauce, coconut, cheddar cheese, black olives, barbecue sauce, tahini. I think I'm going to go with tomato toast. Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna go with tomato toast sauce. Oil, I have vegetable, canola, peanut, sunflower. Crunch, I have breads actually. Cashew pine nuts. To be honest, I don't have any of them. I only have bread, you know. Let's get our recipe. I'm excited. One person. Let's go with two. Okay, what I'm gonna need: one broccoli, lemon, garlic, bread, 3 slices, onion, sunflower oil, but I'm gonna go with 2 people, and tomato sauce. What's the alternatives? We can use tomato sauce or tomato paste. What's the alternative for garlic? Spring onion, leeks, red onion. Okay, I have all of them. So oh my god, it's even giving you this, huh? Wow, this is amazing. Wash and cut your broccoli, slice your bread. Finally chop your garlic and onion. Cut and squeeze your lemon so you can use the juice later. Toast the bread on a hot dry pan for a few minutes, then remove from. I love this app. I'm in love with you. Lower the heat, add lemon and tomato sauce to your pan and mix. Look. No, nothing is stupid. That's just amazing. So this is our quick fry. From here, we can go home from here and can find a lot of actually recipes with healthy ingredients, you see. But this falafel, I would like to try. We can choose things, you know. I mean, by the way, as I told you in the beginning, this app is actually vegetarian. But in case of like you saying, oh, I cannot do without meat or something, you can try all of the veggies. Like you can try to add your meat next to it. So it's so cool. But they don't actually give you meat recipes. So just letting you know about that one. So thank you guys for watching. I hope I helped you out. But I put you on this app. You have to be using this app. This is amazing. This is amazing. I don't lie. I loved it. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I want to ask one question. If you would like to become a vegetarian or vegan, but you're not right now. If you are, let me know also. But if you're not, and why aren't you a vegan or vegetarian right now? What kept you from it? If it's recipes, here you go. Now you have it. But if you have other comments, please let me know in the comments. So see you guys in my next video.